For today's video, we're gonna just run some errands because we have things to do today and to go to some places. But first we need to do is check up. And we are about to get late if we will not go now. Oh my god, someone's throwing at me sky flakes. The more the Sophie grows, the messier the house gets. Look at this horrible, what's that? Any last minute and you're vacuuming? And you're eating food from floor? Oh god. Sophie's just destroying the house.
So, yun yung napansin namin mga pre. Parang mas lumalaki si Sophie, mas gumugulo sa bahay. Pagulo ng pagulo, saka pabilis gumulo. Yung
Bless you, baby.
Are you okay? Ha? Dati ang ginagawa namin, kapag maglalaro si Sophie, syempre kakalat yan. Ang kalat hanggang dito lang, oh. Yan, dito lang yung kalat. Tapos
the carpet.
lilitpitin lang din namin kagad yan, tapos saglit lang. Pero, nag-i-stay yung malinis. Ngayon, hindi na nag-i-stay. Pag niligpit mo ngayon, wala. Mamaya, 1 minute, 2 minutes, magkakalat ulit siya. Kaya kami mga friend, ginagawa na namin minsan, sa end of the day na namin nililinis to para isang linisan.
No, the only time it's malinis when she's asleep.
Yan, kapag
Her nap time. No, soon, okay, let's go. Okay, we will go to check up. Ay, jaba.
Alis ka na ba? You will go out? Out? Yes? Yes? Okay, yes.
Can I get one of this?
You already have shoes. Look. That's si Sophie. Lagay mo na yan dyan. Natuturuan naman si Sophie maglinis. Kaya lang syempre matagal. Katulad nito. Sophie, pick up the eggs. Yan. Tapos lagay mo dito. O, ibalik mo. Dito. Yan, balik mo dyan sa egg tray. O, doon na lang. Ayun. Yung egg tray na yun, o. Ayun, Sophie. Sa likod mo.
Ayaw niya yan. Gusto niya dun.
Yan, dyan mo na lang ilagay. Oh. Very good, Sophie. Where are the other eggs? Ayun pa, may eggs pa doon, oh. Ayun, sa taas, oh. Sophie, sa shoes mo. Doon, oh. Yan. Yung eggs, Sophie, not the shoes, but the egg. Get the egg.
Gusto niya.
Yan, tapos lagay mo dito, lagay mo sa egg tray. Yan, di ba natuturuan naman siya, yun nga lang.
Even cooking she does together.
Oo. Yun nga lang. Siyempre, matagal. Tapos pag tinuruan mo, pag nawala na, yun, guguluhin niya uli.
No, anyway, later we will clean this mess.
Okay, let's go na muna. Ano, hindi ba masyado malaki yung damit niya? Parang nagiging off-shoulder, no? Oh, Sophie, tara. Dito tayo. Come here. Kaya mo ba? Oops. Are you excited? Excited.
Yeah,
Excited ka na magpa-vaccine?
Vaccine.
Ha? You will have your vaccine, Sophie. Takot na siya. Alam niya na kung ano mangyayari. Alam niya na. Nakayakap na siya sa mama niya. Okay. Diba, sabi mga pre, wala sa mga may trauma ata dito sa place nito. Kasi alam niya kapag pupunta dito, tinuturo ka na. Tingnan niyo. Tatanungin ko siya kung saan yung sugat niya. Where's your boo-boo? Oh, diyan ka ba tinuturukan? Dito, di ba? Dito. Diba? There. Where's the boo-boo? Where's boo-boo? There. There. Are you ready for another boo-boo? Yes?
You want another boo-boo?
No,
You want?
You want? You want to play that? Oh, come here.
She don't know to come to me.
You okay, Sophie? Where? Oh, halika. Where are we going? You want to go na? Labas na tayo. Ayaw mo dito? Labas na tayo?
O sige, I'll prepare lang.
So, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Sophie.
Bye-bye.
Let's check what's inside.
Just check her.
Okay, I'm here. Okay.
Ay, naman. Check lang first.
we are done with our checkup. Toby is usually iyak.
Pero behave siya ngayon.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, makulit siya.
Medyo nagiging okay na sila ng ano niya.
Yeah, she already waving to doctor, flying kiss he's sending.
You're okay na? Diba? Where's your bubo? Where's your bubo?
Where is the bubo?
Where's the... Diyan, ba't nandyan yung bubo?
No, because there.
There. Oh, you know, bubo. Where's the bubo? Where's the bubo? Where? Oh, there, bubo. Ayun mga pre, uuwi lang kami ngayon kasi ano ni Sobi, parang ano na, nap time niya kasi.
Oh, she needs to eat lunch and sleep right away.
Oo, so uuwi lang kami ngayon. Tapos after, ay boss, so after naming umuwi, after niyang ano, matulog ni Sobi, doon kami aalis kasi nagyayaya si Bika na pumunta ng BGC. Ha? So shout out Pablito. Shout out sa inyo. Yan. Minadaanan pa tayo nanonood sa atin.
Go, Sophie.
Bakit? Natatai ka?
No, I want to pee.
Surprise, kalat. Oh, surprise. Sumakanta pa yung alilo mo. Ba't nagbababay ka? Where's mama? Sleep na si Sobi. Sleep. Sleep. Paano sleep? Oh, lay ka na dyan. Lay ka na. Lay. Where are you going? Yeah. Lay ka na dyan? Oh, lay. Sleep na si Sobi. Tutulog na. Nap time niya na.
Look at this. Oh my goodness. It's horrible. But while Sophie naps, it's time to clean it. And it's only gonna be cleaned during her nap. After she wakes up, it's gonna be boom again. So let's make magic. Let's clean this all. Oh yeah, a few seconds and everything's clean.
Wow!
Yeah. See, it's shining. Almost shining. Yeah. It's clean. We were just gonna eat lunch while waiting for Sophie. Then she wakes up and then we will go to beach.
Eh mga pre, habang inaantay namin si Sobing magising, kumakain lang muna kami. Ngayon pa lang kami nag-lunch kasi. Tapos,
kumakain tapos na yan?
Tapos na pala. Ayan, wala na, ubos na eh. Kasi kanina, kausap ni Bika yung mama niya, kaya hindi namin muna ma-vlog dahil may ginagawa pa siya. Pagkagising na Sobi, yun, alis na tayo agad. Tapos, gagala lang natin si Sobi, papalakarin lang natin ang papalakarin.
You can walk, there's no cars.
Oo nga, maganda kasi sa BGC, wala
May
masyadong
dogs pa, no?
Oo. Pero ang gusto niya talaga, hinahabol niya, manok. Nakakita siya ng manok, hahabulin niya.
Walang manok sa bilis.
Ayun, walang manok. Sa probinsya dapat dinadala si Sobi. Pero kapag
maliit pa siya, maybe when she's 3.
pag malaki-laki na, dali natin sa province namin, sa Quezon, balik natin doon.
So we're just gonna sit silently like that?
Yun, naantay lang namin si Sobi.
Here we are sa BGC mga kapatid. It's been so long na since we went here.
Sobi, tingnan natin yung pusa, ha? Pakita namin sa'yo yung pusa. May nakikita ka bang pusa? Nood ka lang, no? Cinema, di ba? May maaga kang cinema. Ayun, no, Sobi, look at the screen, no? Yan, no? Pinagbibigyan ka na mama mo magkaroon ng screen time. Yan na yung screen time mo.
Parang we look like beggars. We went here to watch TV. Like we look like, I don't know, we have no TV at home.
At least malaki TV natin kung ito pala TV natin, di ba?
Oh, let's go.
Wala. Wala tayong tagal eh, oh. Wala yung pusa.
Kulam, nakalimutan ko na lakad dito. How many years we didn't go here? 3?
Kasi hindi na tayo nag-e-extend ng visa.
Oo, that's
Dati kasi
why.
di ba dito tayo nag-e-extend ng visa. So hindi na tayo nag-e-extend eh. So hindi raw doon sa likod namin
Eugene is
yung
so
Muji.
confident. There, sabi mo there.
Pagkakaalam ko kasi doon eh. So sabi nung...
So, hindi
guide,
there. Si tama ako, hindi there.
Okay, so hindi doon. Dito sa kabila pala, sa kabilang
Parang
side.
bago, hindi. Dapat doon talaga.
Cheap dito ba yung yung Muji? Ayun, dito. Second floor. So tama, dito nga.
Dito pala si Muji. Yeah, that's Muji. I only need this toner, water toner, Muji water toner. Ayan, dito na.
Ah, yan na ba yun?
Ito na. Ito na.
Nagbebenta tayo ng
Yeah, we went to
skincare.
skincare. Yeah, I know, I know.
Tapos bumibili ka ng skincare.
Because I am very, very sensitive and now I have after inaga eczema, everything. And we don't have something like that.
Ah, lahat ng tinda nating Japan skincare.
Yeah, yeah.
Medyo matapang ng
No,
konti.
it's not matapang. This is just like, as in water-based talaga, like super
Eh, di
simple.
magtubig ka na lang.
No, it's different.
Tubig
It's
lang din
different.
pala.
Well, hindi mo alam. Sinasabi mo pa.
Gano'n tumatagal yan?
Uy, matagal yan, honey. Many months. And I am naliligo in that. Like, I put it like that. Pshum, 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 like that.
Ah.
Kunin ko dalawa.
Hindi siya pampaputi, hindi siya ano,
No.
hydrating
It's
lang.
for hydrating talaga. Nalilito. Maraming stuff here.
Why,
Sabi kami here. Mga pre, I want to go to this famous mall that they say. Mitsukoshi Mall, I think it's called. Before, I think last year it's sumikat. But I didn't have chance to go. And they say it's nothing much in there. But because I love everything about Japanese, I want to go and check what there is.
Why, is this famous?
Huh?
Is this famous?
Wait, where is that? Ah, hindi pa to. Ayan mga pre, Mitsukoshi Mall. Is it it?
Yeah,
Ayan,
it's
sa
this.
taas, Mitsukoshi. No, it was a boom. Everyone went there at the beginning.
Ah.
Di parang Japanese, like nag-boom everyone just to run. Pero parang okay na daw.
Anong okay na daw? Anong okay na daw?
Mall as a mall.
Parang normal na mall lang ganon.
I cannot, ang bilis mo talaga maglakad ka. I need to tagbo, as in
Okay.
tagbo. No, that's the entrance.
Okay na ako. Di ba napanood mo na to? May mga nag-vlog na dito. What's the plan?
We will go there.
Okay. May bala ka bang kainin dito? Bala ka bang bilhin? Wala, ikot lang talaga tayo.
Ikot lang, tingin lang.
Japanese lang ata may-ari ng mall. Pero hindi siya...
Giordano, it's not Japan. Ano ba
Oo,
yan?
hindi. International pa rin yung mga tinda dito.
I just expect
Ganda
to
sana
see
no, kung
something
talagang at least
special.
ang lahat ng ano nila dito, brand product nila dito.
Yes, all
is
Japan.
From Japan talaga. Donkey. Si Donkey.
Please, Philippines, please open Dunkin. Please, no, I don't know. I will give you everything, just open that. I will be customer number 1. We went here to this famous coffee shop.
What's the name?
K Coffee.
Key. Key Coffee. Key Coffee.
Coffee, K Coffee. Why did I thought it's K? It's Key, it's
Yeah,
Key,
it's
that's
a key.
why.
See, it's key.
This Key, but we tried this Key Coffee before, drip coffee, honey. In Japan kasi it's famous, that coffee. And because it's Japanese mall, that's why there is that here. You need to buy, you don't have any more coffee. Ito na lang.
Sige, ano.
Include na natin sa bill.
Yeah.
Include nyo na lang.
Thank you. What, Marites? What do you want? What? We just bought coffee. Yes. She's like,
Ah, natikman ko na lahat yun.
wala ka.
Hindi ko maalala. Ay, kasi mga pre, kaya hindi ko alam iniinom ko. Si Vika nagtitimpla madalas ng kape sa akin. Kaya, ayan. Ubus na ni Sobe yung baon niya mga pre. Wala nang laman. Gawa ni Vika. Ito may natirang konti. Ano to?
This, it's just baked oats with prunes. She loves it, but she will tatay after this. Namina? Sabi namina?
Yummy.
Nakita ako sa inyo. Ito yung in-order natin na ano nila to, di ba? Signature nila to. Kay Sobe to. Sarap ng kay Sobe. O yan, Marites Sobe. Ayan, pagkain mo.
Look. Where is her beef?
Ba't ikaw yung unang tumikim? Sabagay, o sige na, Mike. Sarap ng pagkain niya.
Sarap sa beef. Tikman mo. Tikman mo. The oats are so good.
No? No? Tikman niya siguro gusto niya. Yummy, yummy. No? Ay, ayaw niya.
Eat the blueberries.
Baka busog siya, ang dami niya nakain.
No, and she wants to eat by her own. She focusing on the berries. Itong berries ba yan, di ba? Nom. Sorry, but that's so yummy.
Yummy.
I didn't know we could make it cold. So good. Oh my god. Oh, it's so good. Oh my god, it's so good.
Ano yan, treat sa'yo kasi di ba nasaktan ka kanina. Oh, that's your treat. Kanina, di ba?
Oo.
In-inject yun na siya kanina, so treat kay Sobe yan.
but mine is so good. It's like warming your heart, like mama's cacao, like that. If we will done sa BGC, I will go here again. So maybe their croissants are gonna be so yummy. Usually when I go to cafes, there is nothing 100% satisfying me. But this one, 1,000,000%.
Siguro mga pre, medyo ano na kayo, medyo convincing na siguro si Vika nang matry nyo na to. Ito pa isa. Teka lang, sorry. Sigurado masarap to kasi kilala nyo naman si Vika. Nagsasabi talaga ng totoo.
Yeah, I will not say if it's not.
Mukbang tayo kay Sobi ngayon. Ma'am, ito.
Ito, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, like you did earlier. No. Are you protesting? Take it, he giving it.
Want me to feed you? Oh, very good.
More, sabi niya.
More? Okay, more. Yum, nice.
She ate almost all.
What?
Take the spoon.
Okay. Let me take the spoon. I will feed you. Okay. Oh. Yes, yummy.